Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing a review on the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette, and I'm also doing a demo. What I really like about this palette, because it smells like chocolate, like I already said, this one has like pretty little colors. I'm sorry, funny, and it has like the mirror is like really good, and then also like it has like the little stripes on the mirror that says white chocolate bar, which I really enjoy. Like, this one is very like cruelty free and not tested on animals. That's why I like about Too Faced Cosmetics. And I love how I done this look from my previous video. This came out like really little pretty. Oh, and fun fact, this already comes with the glamour guide because it gives you like 3 steps, and like some of them like match the colors. Like this one has like they say like play on, they say sweet on you, and they give you like the same names like between like in the palette. And then like the other one, you turn it and then they say mint chip, and this is the second look. But then lastly, this is the sugar sundae. Sorry, I'm not sure what they say. And this is one of the night look. This one's day look, this one's classic, and this one is night look. And then they also have the like white chocolate with everything. That's what it says on the back. And this one has like stripes too, comparing to like the mirror. Some of the remaining ones are not in the guide, the remaining colors. This one's like really pretty. It goes from like dark to light. And then yeah, like here's a demo. Then I take my Too Faced eyeshadow insurance and I'm just priming my lids and I'm rubbing it in using my ring fingers. Then I take my Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette and I am taking a shade called Banana Date as a base shade, and I'm just blending it into my crease. And then I take the shade called Sugared Raisin. I'm using my fingers to blend it in a lot more even to it. I take the shade called Mint Chocolate Chip and I'm just blending it onto my lower lash line, and I'm also blending it into the crease. And I take the shade called Guilt Free and then I also do the same, and I'm just blending it into the crease. And then I'm taking a shade called Pearl Candy and I'm highlighting my inner corner, and I'm also blending it into the brow bone for a highlight. Then I take my IT Cosmetics mascara and I'm just applying it onto my top and bottom lashes. Then I take my Wet n Wild lipstick, and then I take my Too Faced setting spray, and here's the look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!